Hi, good morning everybody. How are you today, my friends? I am Miss Liliana, one of the teachers from Learn and Play Tampa Bay program, brought to you by Glacier Children Museum and generously funded provided by the Children's Board of Hillsborough Camp. This morning, I want to share with all of you the very beautiful art craft. Oh, did you see this one? What is that? It's a lion. We're going to make a beautiful lion mask or puppet mask. Okay? It's going to be very, very fun. What you need to have with you: orange paper, yellow paper, black paper, a grocery bag, scissors. If you have the small scissor, will be better for you. A pencil and glue. Okay, my friends, we have all the materials ready with me. Okay, let's go to start it. Take the orange paper, fold the paper in a half. Take your pencil and trace it the half of the heart shape. Now take your scissors, carefully please, and you're going to have the heart like this one. Leave it over here. Next one is going to be the yellow paper. Fold the paper in a half, trace it the half of a heart too, and let's go to cut it up again. Next step, take the piece of black paper, fold it in a half, trace it another heart shape, and cut it off too. Now it's time to put it all together. Yellow one first, glue it and paste it. Now the heart too, the last one, the small one, glue and paste it. But it's going to be side down. Trace the eyes, cut it off, and you're going to have the two black eyes like this. Now it's time to take the piece of paper from the grocery bag. You remember I showed you, right? What we're going to do with this paper? Show me your fingers like the pinza, please. And we're going to tear the paper down, 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 down. Let's go to glue it and paste it around the lion head. Keep going, keep going, keep going around the lion head until you have like this. It's going to be the crazy lion. Thank you, my friends, for joining us. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram page, Let and Play Tampa Bay, and subscribe on YouTube channel for more fun videos and tips. See you. Nos vemos pronto.